If you're busy all day and still feel behind by the end of the day, you don't have a motivation, discipline, or a time management problem. You have a system problem. Most people try to push their productivity by pushing harder, more hours, more discipline, less rest. That's exactly how you burn out without actually getting better results. I used to live like that for years and burn out all the time. But today I do more than ever. A full-time job, YouTube as part-time, taking care of my health, travel, and a lot more. And my days actually feel focused, calm, clear, and under control. The difference wasn't more effort or hard work, it was changing the system that my brain was running on. And in the next few minutes, you will know how to build that system so you can be 10x more productive, feel less stressed, and finally end your day feeling done without burning out. And let's start with the one mistake that everyone makes. Part 1, stability. Here's the problem that no one really talks about. If your nervous system is always in alert and urgency mode, your productivity won't last. You can work harder, push more, and try to be more disciplined, but if your body is always on the edge, your brain never really works. When you're sleeping less, scrolling all the time, and reacting to everything, your brain isn't thinking, it's trying to get through the day. And when you live like that, everything feels harder. You lose focus, you make worse decisions, you avoid hard tasks, and you get tired way too fast. And when this happens, you think it's a discipline problem, but it's not. The real problem is that your baseline is broken. So before you fix your schedule, your goals, and your tools, fix how your body and brain feels every day. So here's how you fix it. Slow breathing, regular sleep and wake up time, daily movement, less stimulation, more predictable routines, and being around people who make you feel safe. This sounds very basic and boring, but this is what makes everything else work. Because when your nervous system is calm, your brain stops fighting you. And when your brain stops fighting you, work stops feeling very heavy. Part 2, direction. Okay, now that your nervous system is calmer, here's the next problem. Listen to me. Your to-do list is not helping you, it's overwhelming you. When your brain sees a long to-do list, it doesn't think, okay, let's execute. It thinks, this never ends. So you jump between tasks, you stay busy, and by the end of the day, you still feel behind. So here's the fix. Stop asking, what do I need to do today? Ask yourself every day in the morning, what makes today a win? Pick 1 to 3 wins. That's it. And if those move forward, the day counts and everything else is just optional. For me, it's my job, YouTube, and some kind of physical movement. Here's why this changes everything. Instead of doing 20 tasks with 5% impact each, you do 1 to 3 outcomes that create 80% of the impact. And that does 2 things. First, it gives your day a finish line. And second, it kills the background stress off. Today, I worked on all the wrong things, man. Understand that you don't need to do more things. You need to move the right things forward. But even with this, most people still get stuck. That brings us to the next problem. Part 3. Reduce cognitive load. Let me say this in a way that might hurt a little. You are not procrastinating because you're lazy. You are procrastinating because your brain feels trapped. Look at your task. Work on the project. Get fit. Study. Fix your life. Go to gym. None of these have an end, and your brain thinks, this could take forever, and let's not do all of these. And when your brain feels trapped, it resists, and the resistance is what we call procrastination. So, you don't start, or you start and then quit, or scroll and then tell yourself, okay, let's do it later. So, here's the fix. Stop giving your brain infinite work. Give it a finish line. Not write the script, but finish the intro in the next 16 minutes. Not go to the gym, but train your upper body for 30 minutes. When your brain can see the end, it relaxes. And when it relaxes, starting stops feeling heavy. And suddenly, consistency isn't about willpower anymore. It's about how you design the work. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Even with the perfect task, some days feel very, very slow. That's not a mindset problem, that's energy problem. And that's what we'll fix next. Part 4. Energy alignment. Here's something that most people don't understand about the human brain. You don't have the same energy all day. You have energy waves. Most people only get 3 to 4 hours of a real high quality focus. The kind where you actually can think, create, focus, and do hard work and make good decisions. And the rest of the day, your brain is slower, more reactive, and easier to distract. Most people treat every hour of the day the same. and then they try to do deep work when their brain is absolutely tired. That's exactly why everything feels harder than it should. Here's how you turn this into a superpower. Use your best energy for thinking, working, creating, and deciding. Use your low energy for simple and mechanical tasks. When you match the right work with the right energy, you stop fighting your brain. And when you stop fighting your brain, you get done more with less stress. Willpower is limited, but your energy works in cycles. If you use it the right way, productivity becomes easier. Part 5. Recovery. Here's the biggest mistake ambitious and driven people don't want to admit. Tell me honestly, you don't rest because you think you're too important to stop, right? You tell yourself, I'll relax when everything is done. But everything is never done. So you keep going, you keep pushing yourself, and slowly you start paying for it. Burnout doesn't show up all at once. It shows up as bad focus, short patience, and heavy work. In days that feel harder than it should. Burnout isn't weakness, it's recovery you refuse to pay for. When I was training as an athlete for almost 7+ years, recovery wasn't optional for us, it was part of the training. Training pushed you to your limits, but recovery is what makes you stronger. And your brain works the same way. Walks, exercise, quiet time, friends, doing absolutely nothing. All of this isn't wasted time, it's maintenance. If you skip maintenance, performance doesn't stay the same, it collapses. Planned recovery isn't laziness, it's how you stay unstoppable for years. So here's the truth. You don't need more discipline, more motivation, or more time management. And you definitely don't need to pressure yourself into working harder. You just need a better system. Fix that structure and effort starts to compound instead of draining you. And if you're tired, burn out all the time, you are not broken. Your days are just running on a bad design. And bad design even makes smart and driven people feel stuck. Fix that design and work stops feeling like a fight or war every day. It starts feeling lighter, clearer, and under control. And if you're done fighting your own brain and want to build a better system, come in 10x below. Also, if you want to take this to the next level, the next skill that you need is deep work. Watch this next.